One of the key challenges for mining is improving the public perception. It's an essential industry. It's about our futures, not just us as the mining industry.
Sustainability, it is a growing mantra within the business. It's huge across the world. It's such an important part of, and should be part of, every business.
Caterpillar equipment is designed to be reused throughout its life cycle. We can rebuild large mining trucks 3, sometimes 4 times in their life cycle. And rebuilds obviously offer a huge amount of opportunity to reuse iron, recycle, and minimise the waste that is created through the manufacturing process.
Repair options and rebuilds are very important to our customers in that it helps them drive a lower cost of ownership of the equipment they operate on site, but also minimises the waste.
Quite a lot of our rebuilds are majority reman components. When using Cat Reman parts, the ability to actually send the components back reduces a lot of wastage that we would have had normally.
It saves us having to buy new every time. It also saves us from just having to scrap the old components.
It's important to us that we're doing the right thing in the eyes of the community, and if we can impact or limit the impact to our neighbours, all the better.